Tonight on the show, how the Indian state seems to have clear double standards when it comes to cracking down on hate, bigotry and calls to violence. Consider this, it's been a week since the horrific hate event in Haridwar where a number of participants made public speeches calling for the genocide of Muslims and a violent uprising against the Indian state to bring in a Hindu Rashtra akin to threats made by terrorists. Despite this, the police have yet to make a single arrest. So far, they have, under mounting outrage, named just 3 people, booking them under a single hate speech section, an offence which normally doesn't require arrest. This despite the gravity of what these people said. Just consider this. These are the people who've been named in the FIR. Swami Dharamdas Maharaj said, I would have become Nathuram Godse and shot ex-Prime Minister Manmohan Singh 6 times in the chest. Named in the FIR, not arrested. Pooja Shakun Pandey. We are ready to kill Muslims. We are ready to go to jail. If 100 of us become soldiers, we can kill 20 lakhs of them. Named in the FIR, not arrested. Now consider those who've not even been named in the FIR, who have, if it is possible, made even worse threats. Anand Swarup Maharaj. All these democratic governments in Delhi will have to listen to our demands of a Hindu Rashtra. If they don't, we'll wage a war far scarier than the 1857 revolt. Not named in the FIR, not arrested. Prabhonandand Gir. Either get ready to be killed yourself or be ready to kill. Like Myanmar, every Hindu must pick up weapons and conduct a Safai Abhiyan, a sort of ethnic cleansing. Not named in the FIR, not arrested. Yati Narsinganand, considered to be one of the organizers of the event. Forget about swords. Swords only look good on stage. In a battle, those who win have better weapons than their enemies. Not named in the FIR, not arrested. When asked the police in Uttarakhand, DGP himself said he didn't think calls for the violent overthrow of the Indian state merited harsher laws since no actual violence had been committed. Really? This degree of caution doesn't seem to apply when it comes to allegations of hurting quote-unquote Hindu sentiment. The comedian Munawar Farooqi, what was his crime? Jokes that he never cracked. Arrested under hate crime laws. While remember, Pooja Shakun Pandey, we just heard her say, we are ready to kill Muslims and we are ready to go to jail. Not arrested, though she's been booked under the hate crime law. Or the double standard when it comes to the government's political critics. Kanhaiya Kumar supposedly raised anti-national slogans at JNU without conclusive evidence, the court admitting, the police telling the court, no proof of it. But arrested for sedition. And Prabhonandand Gir called for the genocide of Muslims like the Rohingyas in Myanmar, no FIR, no arrest. Sharjeel Imam, he called for a Chakka jam to cut off northeast, if not permanently for at least 1 or 2 months, arrested for sedition and terror. Anand Swarup Maharaj said we'll wage a war to achieve Hindu Rashtra. No FIR, no arrest.